Here's a quick look at the emini S&P for Tuesday, December the 28th, 2010. What we're looking at here, of course, are the market profiles. We like to examine them to get an indication of what we think the market's condition is. This is today's market profile and corresponding volume profile for the regular trading hours only. This profile is what occurred overnight, and this is yesterday's RTH, or regular trading hours profile only. We'd expected support in around 51. It got down to 51.50 in the regular trading hours, and then rallied up and had didn't make a new high for the day, but it did have a pretty strong close up there. I believe it was around 54 and change. So the up auction continues. We've still got support in around 51, and then again down at 46. We believe our support areas within the context of the up intraday auction, which means we'll have a preference for trading the long side. It's a slow grinding market. Market's moving very slowly. Today, I think our total range was only 4.5 points. So let's see yeah, 4.5 total. So very quiet with an upward bias, and that's how we're looking to trade it. For those of you that are looking to do so, or certainly have the preference on the long side for the time being. We also like to use the market profiles from the regular trading hours only, and that's what you're looking at here. Here is our software. You can see that we actually only had one trade triggered today, and it was off of this bar here that actually formed the low of the day. These arrows, this blue up arrow right here, forms at the close of this bar. So as soon as this bar closed, this up arrow identified a long trade with an entry here. So it obviously didn't do too much. It went sideways before it did rally up eventually. So as I was mentioning earlier, we do take a look at, and this of course was down right near our support area, which was right here at 1251. So this trade was actually made before this red filter came in. Even though it did stay red, we knew we were at support, and our intraday bias was to the upside. So we had some further indications of lack of seller follow-through with these diamonds and triangles below some of these bars here, which would all giving us an indication that the market is having a difficult time selling off and is therefore likely to rally. And so that's really our only, we had these other opportunities here, as you can see, to get long in here, and in here. And of course the market did have a good rally up. So good relative to today, of course. Good meaning it moved, 3 points or something like that. So anyway, that was our only system trade. And obviously we adjust how we're managing trades and even some of our entries right now because the market is so slow and so quiet. But according to our basic trade protocol, this was still turned out to be a winning trade. So just that's really what we're looking at doing. That's where our support areas are going into tomorrow. No real resistance overhead, strong resistance up above. Still having the preference to trade on the long side. So thanks for taking the time to view the video. If you got any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. We always enjoy hearing your questions and comments. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.